Hello students, let us continue the lesson, the internet web browser. So in my previous session, I have discussed what is a network and how the network works. Okay, so now today we will continue what is internet. When the computer networks are joined together, they form a bigger network called internet. Internet means so when one or more computers. So all around the world, millions of computers are connected together. Millions of computers are joined together, or network of that computers are joined together, and they form a bigger network. Okay, they form a bigger network. So that is called as internet. Internet connects millions of computers around the world, all around the world. So millions of computers are connected with each other. So it is connected, so that's why we can communicate with each other, we can send the information, we can share the information from one system to another system because of this network. It has revolutionized the whole world and made computers the most effective communication tool. So it has become a revolution, digital revolution, you can say. So all around the world, so it is a digital revolution, and the made computers the most effective communication tool. So nowadays, so without internet we cannot imagine the our day-to-day life, because so for each and every work we are depending on internet. Okay, for each and every work we are depending on this internet. Internet not only contains huge variety of information, but also provides new ways of interacting and connecting with people. So on the internet we are not getting only information, we are not getting only a variety of information, but internet has given the facility to connect with the people, to interact with the people. We can communicate with each other, we can make audio calls, we can make video calls, we can chat. So that all the facility is given by the internet. So that is about just a brief introduction about this internet. So now what is the history of internet? In 1969, when man walked on the moon, I hope you know the person who is that person, the first landed on the moon. His name is Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong is the first person landed on the moon in 1969. The US Defense Department set an advanced research project agency for further research. US Defense Department, US means America, United States. United States Defense Department means military department. Defense means military. So defense, they have set one project. Okay, so that name is ARPA, ARPA, Advanced Research Project Agency. For further, they want to do the research. So some more research. Uh, so this defense department wanted to do. They designed a network of 4 computers to exchange and share their data. So to share the information, to exchange the information, they set up a network of only 4 computers. So they connected 4 computers with each other, and they used to share the information from one computer to another computer. So just exchanging the information from one system to another system among these only 4 systems in 1969. This network was called ARPANET. So they gave a name for this network as ARPANET. The full form of ARPANET is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Okay, here they are given Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Later, many universities were allowed to join this network and share the information. Afterwards, they gave a permission to other universities to join in this network and share their information. So that universities also share their information in this network. So other universities connected their systems, their computers in this network, and they started to share the information. This was the beginning of networking of computers. So that is the initial stage. So that is the beginning stage of the computer networks, which grew bigger day by day and gave birth to internet. So that internet, so when it started with only 4 computers, and day by day they given a permission to other systems or other bodies to connect in this network, and day by day, so this network grew bigger. Okay, so now, so that system, the count has gone in the millions. So now millions of systems have connected in this network. So that is so that only gave a birth to internet. the technology which has radically changed our lives. So this internet technology has changed our day-to-day regular life, okay, spontaneously. So this life itself has changed nowadays. Okay, now you can see how we are dependent on the internet, because for each and every work we are depending. So if you want to call, okay, so the internet is there. If you want to order anything, internet is there. If you want to do any banking transactions, you are going to use the internet. Or if you want to pay the bills, if you want to do the shopping, so for each and every work we are using the internet. Earlier internet was used by engineers, scientists and computer experts for research purpose, but gradually the internet was made accessible to private agencies and general public. So beginning initial when this internet was launched, so this internet was used by only engineers, scientists and computer experts for their research purpose. Okay, so it was not allowed to use, means people did not have the knowledge only to use this. So only engineers were using, scientists were using and some of our computer programmers, computer experts were using for their research work. So then now day by day, so that gradually, so network size increased and this network made accessible to all the private agencies. So private people entered in this field, in this internet field, and they have done the investment, and this internet has given they given access to all other peoples. People started using it for sending messages and files between any two computers. So people started to use this internet to send the file, to send the messages between, so one system to another system, to share the information, to exchange a message. People started to use this internet. In India, internet services started on 15th August 1995. So first time in India, 1995, on Independence Day, 15th August. So this internet services started through a government owned company. Government owned company VSNL, Videh Sanchar Nigam Limited. With the help of this company, government company Videh Sanchar Nigam Limited, 15th August 1995, the first internet services started in India. So nowadays you can see, so India is the topmost country uh, in using the data. So Indians are using highest data nowadays. Okay, so compared to other countries, Indians are using highest data. So now India is the topmost country in using data. Everybody is having the mobile, everybody is having the internet in their devices, and they are using the internet. So this is all about internet. I hope you have understood this history of internet. So next class we'll continue with this commonly used internet terms. So what are the terms we use commonly while using the internet? So here I'm going to end this session. And if you like this video, so please share this video, subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching.